If you're preparing for the SAP Certified SuccessFactors Platform reporting exam, here's the mistake most candidates make. They study theory, memorize reporting features, and read documentation. But the 2026 exam doesn't test memorization. It tests how you perform in real reporting scenarios using AI-based roleplay. You'll be given business requirements, asked to respond like a consultant, and challenged with follow-up questions. If you're an SAP consultant, HRIS specialist, or people analytics professional, this is exactly the kind of hands-on practice you need. Let's jump straight into the first scenario. Scenario 1-Executive Workforce Report Request. Business scenario. A global HR director needs a monthly workforce report showing headcount, terminations, new hires, organizational breakdown. The report must be available to senior leadership every month. AI interviewer. Which SAP SuccessFactors reporting solution would you recommend and why? Best consultant response. I would recommend using People Analytics Story Reporting. Story reporting enables interactive workforce reporting, supports multiple data sources, provides visualization capabilities, and allows leadership to consume information through dashboards rather than static spreadsheets. The solution also supports ongoing reporting requirements and can be scheduled for recurring business review cycles. AI cross question. Why not simply export employee data into Excel every month? Best response. Manual Excel reporting introduces data consistency risks, increases administrative effort, and lacks governance. Story reporting provides centralized reporting with real-time access to trusted HR data and supports executive decision-making through visual analytics. Scenario 2-Security and reporting access. Business scenario. A manager reports that she cannot access a report created for department leaders. Other managers can view the report successfully. AI interviewer. What would be your first troubleshooting step? Best consultant response. I would first review role-based permissions. Most reporting access issues originate from security permissions rather than report configuration. I would verify reporting permissions, target population permissions, report execution rights, story reporting access rights. AI cross question. Why should permissions be reviewed before modifying the report itself? Best response, because the report is functioning correctly for other users. The issue appears user-specific, indicating a likely authorization problem rather than a reporting design issue. Quick reminder, this new exam uses AI role-play scenarios instead of traditional knowledge-based questions. If you want additional SAP exam simulation practice, realistic SAP scenario-based questions, and hands-on preparation resources, visit pass4success.com. Now let's continue with another consultant-level scenario. Scenario 3-Reporting Performance Issue, Business. Scenario, a report takes several minutes to load. Business users complain that performance is affecting productivity. AI interviewer. How would you improve report performance? Best consultant response, I would review report filters, data volume, number of joins, unnecessary fields, reporting scope, reducing data complexity, and limiting report output to business-relevant information often improves performance significantly. AI cross-question. What mistake do inexperienced consultants commonly make? Best response. They attempt to include every available field. Effective reporting focuses on business requirements rather than collecting excessive data that slows report execution. Scenario 4-Executive Dashboard Requirement. Business scenario. Executives want one dashboard showing recruiting trends, workforce demographics, turnover rates, organizational insights, all from a single interface. AI interviewer. What reporting approach would you recommend? Best consultant response. I would recommend story reporting dashboards. Story reporting provides visual analytics, executive-friendly dashboards, interactive filtering, and consolidated reporting experiences that support strategic decision-making. AI cross-question. What business value does dashboard reporting provide? Best response. It transforms raw HR data into actionable insights. Executives can quickly identify workforce trends and make informed decisions without manually reviewing multiple reports. Scenario 5-Data Validation Challenge Business Scenario. An executive notices that a report shows a different headcount than another report generated the same day. AI interviewer. How would you investigate? Best consultant response. I would compare data sources, filters, effective dates, user permissions, reporting logic. Different configurations can produce different outcomes even when both reports are technically correct. AI cross question. What should a consultant avoid during stakeholder discussions? Best response. Avoid assuming either report is incorrect before conducting validation. The objective is to identify configuration differences and explain results using evidence. These are exactly the kinds of tasks SAP consultants handle in real implementations. And remember, the SAP Certified SuccessFactors reporting exam tests how you think, not what you memorize. It's all about AI-based, scenario-driven problem solving. If this simulation helped, continue your preparation with our full SAP certification playlist. For more scenario-based questions and mock exams, visit pass4success.com. Subscribe, keep practicing, stay consistent, and most importantly, don't just learn SAP. Perform SAP. See you in the next scenario.